Hey guys, wanted to show you guys what I found at 99 Ranch. This is a instant hot pot made by Lao. That's a famous hot pot place. I think it's in Taiwan. If you look over here, this is the bowl. It's a pretty big bowl. It's actually $12.99. It actually can, I'm pretty sure it will feed one person, but there's a lot of food in there. All right, basically just wanted to show you guys unwrapping it and what it's all about, and everything should be in there. All you need is basically have a pitcher of water, and it has a self-heating element that's inside that will basically boil that hot pot for about 15 minutes and your food will be ready. So here it is, the Lao hot pot. Just unwrapping it. Make sure that you save this sleeve right here, because this has actually all the instructions in the back. If you can see, pretty good illustration of what you need to do. Okay, a lot of them is pretty self-explanatory. Let's open the box, see what's inside. All right, make sure you save that, because those will be useful. First of all, this is really good camping food. If you think about it, it comes with your own utensils. It has a napkin, toothpick. This is basically your chopsticks right here, and you kind of just pop that in. And you got your soup spoon. Very, very sturdy material. I mean, all comes in that in this little package right here. So it's really all you need is your water to cook this hot pot. Okay, so this is basically the hot pot. This is the heating element. This is activated by water. Let's see the stuff that's in there. You got your vermicelli noodles, pickled vegetables. They look pretty fresh in there, in that vacuum sealed. Seasoned beef, and of course your spicy hot pot seasoning. Okay, so first step is, what I would do is open the seasoning, the spicy flavor seasoning, and empty that into this pan right here. That looks good. So you got the seasoning right here. Man, that thing smells good. Smells spicy too. Let us do the seasoned beef. Oh, that beef and that beef flavor. It looks like a one piece of kind of like a meatloaf. Make sure you empty the oil that's basically solidified in there. That's gonna add the flavor into your soup. You can see the beef here. If you notice, it's kind of looks like just pieces of beef, and they're all formed together. It's almost like a meatloaf, and that smells good too. Now let's open the veggies. This is the pickled vegetable. Oh, look at that. Look at all of that. And they look pretty fresh to me. Fresh from the vacuum seal. You got your, looks like lotus roots. This is eared mushroom. I believe these are seaweed. And there's several other things in there that I don't know, but these actually looks pretty good. Then lastly, I would put the noodles. That's your vermicelli noodles right there. Okay, now you grab your water, you fill this up to this line that says right here. It's pretty self-explanatory. There you go. Now, let's open this instant heating element. This is similar to what you would use when you go camping, like those your hand warmers, but I think this one's pretty extreme. So you do not want to touch that while it's obviously activated. There's a fill line right there for the water. This is obviously water activated. Just fill that up to that line, and you basically just wait a few seconds. What you want to do is put this on top right away. It has a holder there, and you kind of wait a few minutes until you start to listen to some sizzling or some boiling, and then we can put the lid on. So while we wait for that activation, I mean, you can actually see it, the steam coming out of this thing once it starts cooking. Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it. Do you hear that? There you go. Then you put this on, this lid on, and let that cook for about 15 minutes. All right, we'll check it out when it's done. Okay, 15 minutes is done. If you need to be very careful when you're handling this. This is very hot right here to the touch. It's the first time I'm opening it. After it was done, I could still see a little bit of steam coming out of this thing. So just go ahead and uncover that. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing. I mean, that thing just cooked on its own, and you could still see the steam coming out. I'm sure the bottom part of this is still kind of hot and boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a good stir. And just kind of get everything, all the ingredients, all the soup and everything mixed up in there with all the flavor. Then we're gonna give it a shot. I mean, this thing is really will come in handy when you're camping, or even take it to work if you don't have that luxury of going out to eat, especially right now with the whole quarantining and staying at home. This is very helpful, and it looks like a very you know, it looks delicious to me. So I'm gonna try the soup first. Here we go. That is spicy. I mean, I like spicy food, and this is, I would put this in between medium and very spicy. I'll try the a piece of this lotus root right here. A little crunchy. It's good. Noodles. Man, that vermicelli noodle was cooked perfectly from that thing. About 15 minutes. I'm trying to find a piece of the beef here. If I could, there's a little bit right here. See, let's try and taste that. Yeah, that's flavorful. To be honest, this is really a little pricey on the pricier side of things, but I think it's the experience, right? You have to at least try it once, and I can tell you it's enjoyable. The flavor is there. I've never been to Haidi Lao, wherever that is. I'd like to try it out for real, maybe someday when we get to travel again, but this is the closest at this point, and I appreciate that they brought this flavor in an instant way. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I wanted to thank my sponsor, Darfsman Auto House from Cooking ng Ama Mo. Saying goodbye to you, Cooking ng Tito Mo. Thank you. Just an update, guys. This thing is very spicy.